If you've been confused by the latest Galaxy Z Fold 8 leaks, you're not alone. A new look just surfaced, and it doesn't match what we saw before. And if you're waiting for the S26 Ultra, this might be the perfect time, especially with pre-order upgrades and up to $230 Samsung credit mentioned earlier. But let's focus on what really changed. Android Authority just revealed updated renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 along with two other models, the Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, possibly called Ultra, and the Galaxy Z Flip 8. But the most interesting detail isn't about design, it's about how the phone reacts when you fold it. Samsung appears to be introducing a foreign object detection system. When you close the fold, it checks for anything stuck between the displays. If you try folding it the wrong way, similar to the Galaxy Z Trifold, it warns you not to. That's where things get interesting. If something hard is inside the display area, the phone may alert you before damage happens. The big question is whether this feature is software-based or hardware-based, because that changes everything. If it's software-driven, Samsung could potentially bring it to older models like the Z Fold 7, but if it relies on new hardware, then it likely won't appear on the Z Fold 7 or even the Z Fold 6, and that distinction matters. Now let's talk design. The Z Fold 8 Wide Edition is noticeably broader than the standard model, but there's more. The corners now appear rounded, which is different from earlier leaks that showed sharper edges. So which version is final, rounded or sharp? At this stage, both designs could simply be prototype units or dummy models. The final retail version might still surprise us. On the software side, there's confirmation that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8 will launch with One UI 9.0. That's a major update arriving straight out of the box, and it sets the tone for what Samsung is planning next. Now here's where things get serious: the battery. I've received internal information about the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and the direction Samsung is taking looks very promising. First, the standard Z Fold 8 is expected to be even thinner and lighter than the Z Fold 7, which is already among the slimmest foldables available, but making it thinner raises one big concern: battery capacity. One report claims we could see a 5,000 mAh, up from the 4,400 mAh used since the Z Fold 7. However, it's still unclear whether that upgrade is coming to the standard version or the Wide Edition. According to my internal source, Samsung isn't just increasing capacity, they're changing the battery technology itself. Silicon solid-state batteries are reportedly in development for the Z Fold 8. That could mean a major shift. For 7 generations, we've seen the same 4,400 mAh setup. If this change happens, it won't just compete with iPhones. It could push the Fold closer to laptop-level endurance, and that's a bold move. Finally, S Pen support. I believe Samsung may reintroduce the digitizer in one of the models, likely the Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, which may not be as thin as the standard version. From Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 6, we had S Pen support. It disappeared on the Z Fold 7. Now it might return, with a case that stores the S Pen inside. That's everything we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup. If you're still watching, you're clearly serious about Samsung's next move. Stay tuned, because the next update might change everything.